Hi, welcome back viewers. Today we will learn SQL. So our first example will be write a query to display name of the employee along with their annual salary. So first we will show the employee table. Select star from EMP. So this is our employee table. Then our question, select employee name and their annual salary. Salary times 12 from EMP table. So this is our output. Next question. Write a query to display employee name and job for all the employee with their half-term salary. So a query will be select ename, job, and half-term salary will be sal times 6 from EMP table. Our next question will be write a query to display all the details of the employees along with the annual bonus of 2000. So we have to display all the details with the annual bonus of rupees 2000 in the salary. So query will go as select emp dot star. It will basically show all the details of the employee from the employee table, and then we will show this annual salary with the increment of 2000 as shown in the question. Annual bonus of 2000 with an annual bonus of 2000. So annual salary will be this, and then a bonus of 2000 rupees from EMP. So these are all the details of the employees with the annual salary and the annual bonus of rupees 2000. So next question. Write a query to display the name, salary, and the salary with a hike of 10%. Select ename, salary, name and salary with a hike of query display salary into 12 plus salary into 10 by 100. So we have to show the which question? Yes, this fourth one. Name, salary, and the salary with a hike of 10%. Sorry, we have to go back. We have to also show the salary, then annual salary. Annual salary. This is the annual salary, and this one is the hike of 10%. So just a simple mathematics. This one is annual salary, and this here is a hike of 10%, which is increment. Just a basic mathematics you can do in the rough work and calculate what values will come in this column. It will match the result. So here from EMP. So ename, salary, and the annual salary with a hike of 10%. Next question. Write a query to display the name, salary with the deduction of 25%. So we have to show the names, employee names, and their salary. If there is a deduction in their salary of 25% deduction, select ename salary, but with the deduction of 25%. So you have to deduct the 25% of the salary from the actual salary. Like this is the actual salary and this is the deduction from EMP. Next question. Write a query to display the name and the salary with a monthly hike of 50. Basically, we have to show the name of the employee and the salary, but there is a condition with a monthly hike of 50 rupees. So first we have to select ename, then the salary, monthly salary with a hike of 50. Just a simple from EMP. Next question. Write a query to display the name of the employee and the annual salary with the deduction of 10%. So we have already done this question. Same question. There was a hike of 10% and here it is a deduction of 10%. So we will leave this question and move on to next question. Write a query. Welcome back, guys. We were here at the ninth question. Write a query to display the details of all the employees along with their annual salary. Select eNames. Here we have to show all the details. So we have to write emp dot star and then we have to show the annual salary, which will be sal times 12 from emp table. We are table with all the details and the annual salary. Next question, write a query to display the name and the designation along with the 100 penalty in their salary. Select ename designation, which is basically a job role, job, and 100 penalty in their salary. Sal minus 100 from EMB. So this is our table showing names and the job of the employee with the penalty in their salary of rupees 100 as shown in this table. Moving on for the where clause. So this is a very important clause in the SQL. We start with the first question. Write a query to display the annual salary of the employee whose name is Smith. So here we use the where clause. We have to show the annual salary of the employee whose name is Smith. So here we have the employee table, and we have this employee Smith. We have to show the annual salary only for the Smith, which is rupees 800. Nothing else in this table. So we will go as select ename and salary from EMP table, where ename is equal to this Smith employee. We have to write this name as mentioned in this table, which is in capitals. So we have to write it in single quotes and in the capitals. So this is a name Smith. So here we have our result showing the name and the salary of employee whose name is Smith. We move to our next question. Write a query to display name of the employees working as a clerk. So we have to display the name of the employees who are working as a clerk. Only those employees who are working as a clerk. We go back to our query. Select ename from EMP. We have to write here a where clause, where job is equal to clerk. We have four names: Smith, Adams, James, and Miller. We can match to verify our answer. Yes, Smith is clerk. Then Adams is clerk, James is clerk, and Miller is clerk. Next question. Write a query to display the salary of the employees who are working as a salesman. So we have to display the salary of salesman. Select ename, salary, where job role is salesman. We have to remember that we have to write this salesman as mentioned in this table. So here we are getting error. Oh, there is an error. We forget to mention the name of our table. Like here, we have written from employee table, from employee table. Here we have not mentioned this name, so we get our error. From keyword not found where expected. There is no from keyword in this query. We have to write it again. Select ename and salary from employee where job is equal to salesman. We close this query with a semicolon as usual, and here we get the salary of all the salesmen. These are the salesmen. You can check in the table, like Turner. Yes, he's a salesman, and his annual salary, which is not annual salary but a monthly salary, which is Turner salesman, and monthly salary is 1500, as shown in this table. We move to our next question, which is write a query to display details of the employee who earns more than 2000. We have to display all the details emp dot star from emp table where salary is greater than 2000. So we have to put this symbol of greater towards the salary, and we have to write 2000, then put semicolon and run the query. Here we get the details of all the employees whose salary is more than 2000. Jones, Blake, Clark, Scott, King, Ford. You can verify this in the employee table that they are earning more than 2000. This guy is earning 2975 and this one earning 5000. We move to our next question. Write a query to display the details of the employee whose name is Jones. It's a very simple question. Select ename. Sorry, you have to display the details. So emp dot star from emp table where ename is equal to Jones. You have to extract the data of Jones, which is this. So in this table we have employee number, ename, job, mgr, which is a manager number, hire date, salary, commission, and department number. Everything related to this employee whose name is Jones, as asked in the question. Next, write a query to display the details of the employees who was hired after this date, 1 Jan 81. Select emp dot star from emp where. So after the where clause we have to write the condition. What is the condition given in this question is the emp was hired after 1 Jan 81 1981 where hire date is hired after. So we have to put this hired after. So semicolon, then Jan 1981 this, and here we have the name and every detail of the employee who was hired after Jan 1981. Sorry, we have given the wrong symbol, so it is showing the employee hired before. So we have to write this query again. So we will give this greater symbol and 01 Jan 1981. So here are the details of every employee who was hired after 1 Jan 1981. You can check the details and you can check the date when they were hired, and you can see the result. Next question. Write a query to display the name and salary along with his annual salary with the annual salary if the annual salary is more than 12,000. The condition is we have to display the name and salary only if the annual salary exceeds this amount. I'm sorry, exceeds this amount, 12,000. Select ename and salary from emp only if the salary exceeds means the salary is greater than 12,000. Salary is greater than 12,000. There is an error. This query. What is error? We have to write a query to display name and salary along with his annual salary. Okay. We have to show the annual salary if the annual salary is more than 12,000. So select name salary. Again, annual salary we have to show from EMP table where salary is greater than 12,000. So where annual salary is greater than 12,000. So we have to write. So there is error in this query. The question itself asks that the annual salary should be greater than 12,000. So the annual salary is salary times 12, not single salary. It's salary times 12. You have to write like this, and here we get our result. Next question. Write a query to display the employee number of the employees who are working in department 30. Select employee number. So here is a twist in this question. Select employee number and department number from employee table where department number is equal to 30. Condition is department number is 30. So employee number of all the employees who are working in the department number 30. These are the employee IDs. Next question. Write a query to display the employee number of the employees who are working. Same question. Write a query to display the e-name and the hire date. Employee name and the hire date if they are hired before 1981. Select e-name and hire date from EMP where hire date is, so it is asking who are hired before 1981. So it will be like date will be like 31st December 1980. It will show the details of all the employees who were hired before 1981. Enter, and we get our employee name Smith, who was hired in 17 December 1980. And next question. Write a query to display the details of the employees working as a manager in the company. So select details emp dot star from emp where the employee is working as a manager. So job role will be manager. So condition, this one is condition. So this one is a select emp dot star. This query will do select the details of the employee, and this part will show that from which table we have to display the details, and this one is the condition that the employee is a manager in the company, and it will show all the details of the employee who is working as a manager in the company. So these individuals are working as a manager in the company. Next question. Write a query to display the name. Write a query to display the name, salary given to an employee if the employee earns a commission of rupees 1400. Select the employee name and salary from EMP where commission is more than 1400. I think there is only one guy who have commission more than 1400. Yes, where's the commission? 1400. There is only one. This one, more than or equal to 1400. Yeah, name is Smith. So no, the name is Martin. See here, the name is Martin. So in our result, we should get the Martin. Sorry, we have a error in this. We have to read the question again. Commission of rupees 1400. Of there is an error of this symbol. Here we will add. We will remove this symbol and add equal to symbol. Select. Copy paste till here. Control C, Control V. 1400, and we get the name of Martin and his salary. Moving on to the next question, 12th. Write a query to display the details of the employees having a commission more than the salary. So in this query, we will display the detail of the employee whose commission is more than the salary. Select EMP dot star from EMP where which is commission is greater than the which is salary. Again Martin, he have a salary of 1250 and commission which is 1400 greater than the salary. Next question, 13th. So write a query to display the employee number of the employees hired before 87. So we have already done the question like this. We will move on further to the next question, 14th. Write a query to display the details of the employees working as an analyst. Already done a question like this. 15th one, write a query to display the details of employees earning more than 2000 rupees per month. I think we have already done these kind of questions.